and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good, now give them one. There's a clear path to the tunnel at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Drone droid. Not like you to respond to you. Tails turbo can stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Let's go. Find the alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Critical path implemented D. There they are. Fire.
These things box just below us. Take the lift down. Hurry! No, not up! I said down! We've received any with this authorization. This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the arm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Find the mental
resistance is about to be destroyed.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's coffee.
Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's cut.
Lieutenant Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure.